How you doing? I'm Mike McKelly. I want to say a big thank you to Denning Glass for doing the work on the 79 Dodge Power Wagon. You guys did a great job. Don't go anywhere but Denning Glass for all of your glass work.
This is Nolan Denning from Denning Glass. We treat every car that comes into our shop like the Rocker Classic. Because at Denning Glass, safety is our #1 priority. So take it from an expert and take it to an expert. When you think windshield, think safety. Think Denning Glass. Southern Michigan's premier windshield replacement center.